Hi, this is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. One of the questions that I see is, what is the best do-it-yourself will kit? And there's a number of different solutions that are available online for people to create their own wills. As you've heard from some different videos that I've made, there's several components that are required in order to make a will effective. And the problem becomes that with these do-it-yourself will kits, you can miss important provisions of a will that are necessary in order to either give it effect or give it the effect that you intended. And if you make a mistake in one place, that mistake is likely to be repeated throughout the entirety of the will that you've created if it's a do-it-yourself online type of a will. And that can defeat the entire purpose of maintaining your estate and giving it and passing it along generationally the way that you actually intended that to be done. If you don't follow those rules, it may not be affected in the way that you want it to be, and ultimately the court is going to be the one parsing out what your true intent was. If you don't want that to happen, and most of the people that I know that have worked very, very hard for the things that they have, and they want their stuff, their money, to pass to the people that they want to upon their passing, they are going to pay the extra money to have an attorney do it rather than a do-it-yourself online will. This is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. Thank you.